Alright, got a little bit of a different video here. That's right, 1995 Leaf Limited hockey. You know, under that, I am actually watching some hockey right now, watching the Blackhawks and the Coyotes. I have no idea what to expect from this. Leaf Limited Premier Edition hockey. As you can see, it's in French. Some of the word, see the bottom half is in French, so I have absolutely no idea what to expect. I got it for 20 bucks instead of 85. So, well, let's get into it. I have 0 hockey cards currently. I don't even know how many packs is in here. I really don't know a lot of hockey players besides the big stars. As you can see, the box is numbered 14,742 out of 60,000. So that's pretty neat, I think. Boxes are numbered. Don't see that too much anymore. Guess you don't have to break the seal either. It's just quite a bit of packs in there. Oh, I purchased the highest quality, most limited production of hockey cards produced by Donruss. Thank you. You are welcome. Here's the packs. This is going to be interesting. Alright, I guess we'll start with this. I'm going to take all the packs out, I think. They feel dusty. Not gonna lie. Oh boy, they're very thin. Boy, I don't even know how many packs there are. There's a lot. There can't be more than, boy, 2 or 3 cards in a pack. There's the individually numbered box. Ah, there's a checklist on the back of that. Keep that just in case there's any redemptions. And these do not stack very well, so it looks very unprofessional. It says tear here. This is going to be a long video. I should not have done it in HD. Oh well. Alright. I think I'm just going to open them normally, because this did not work very well. Yeah, not a lot of cards. Blackhawks almost scored with 30 seconds left. They scored with like 15 left last game. I'm sorry, I'm losing focus. This is not a good start. Yeah. I'm watching the Blackhawks. I'm going to have to turn it off at the end of the game. There's only 6 seconds left. Oh, they scored with 5.5 seconds left. Crazy. Gonna go to overtime. Alright, I'm not going to try to pronounce a lot of these names because I have no idea who most of these people are. So, Oleg something. What else we got? Ed Belfour, I've heard of him. These cards are pretty nice looking. Kirk McLean. Jeff Brown, nice American name. And Gary Roberts. Alright. I was at the local card shop tonight and decided, instead of getting 20 bucks worth of packs, because I bought a bunch of magnetics, I got peer pressured into buying a box of 1995 hockey cards for 20 bucks. I might need to get a pair of scissors. I just need to get a pair of scissors in my room. Alright. Pack 2 of a bunch. Probably upload this tomorrow because it's getting late. It's 11:30 here. Adam Graves. I'm not going to pronounce all these names. I'm going to go a little bit fast here. Chris Osgood. I've heard of him. He's been with the Rangers. I think he just retired, maybe. And if you see anything and you're watching this, and if you see anything worth anything, please let me know, because I have no idea. These are really hard to open. I'm gonna go get the scissors. Door. Alright. Got some scissors. Eric Lindros. Keith Primo. I think he had a decent career. This is gonna be a long video. I'm at 6 minutes already. These are, oh man, I cannot believe how hard these are to get out of the package. To be fair, they're 17 years old. Brendan Shanahan. Paul Correa. He had a decent career. Let's look at the checklist while I open this one. I'm gonna try. I think just cut in, it's easier. Looks like a 120 card base set. And you got a U.S. Junior Team, U.S. Canada Junior Team for 10 cards each, and a limited gold for 10 cards. Cam Neely, his name sounds familiar. I don't know. Maybe I'm just getting sleepy. Cut my finger there. Brett Hull, that's a good one. Chris Chelios, he had a nice career. Mark Recchi, these are all, I've heard of a lot of these guys. These cards, I have to say, it looks very nice. Jason Arnott. Steve Yzerman, or no, Steve, nah, I just completely read that one. Steve something. Rod Brindamore, I've heard of him. This is the worst commercial in the world right now. It's for Binny's Beverage Depot, which is like an alcohol store in Chicago. Chicagoland area, I don't know for sure, I'm not from there. He's playing catch with Frank Thomas. It's just brutal. These ones are kind of stuck together. Scott Stevens. Dominic Hasek. That's not a bad one right there. The Dominator, I believe, was his nickname. I'm gonna have all these little scraps that I cut off the top all over. Mike Modano. I think I had one of his earlier. Ooh, here's the one we're looking for right here. Wayne Gretzky. Nice. That's what we're looking for. I feel like, oh, these stuck together. This one might have been stuck together too. Ray Bourque. The great one. I got one. Man, this is gonna be a long video. I think that's about the third time I've said that. Oh, I got a numbered card on the back. Might have to slow roll it. Hopefully it's Wayne Gretzky. I don't even know if he has one, but we got, looks like the Canada Junior Team of Jeff something Friesen, numbered 3,775 out of 5,000 short print. Which, this was a short print in 1995. Back in the glory days. Benny's Beverage Depot. Jason Allison. Something. That was a pack of people I have not heard of before. I don't know how many packs this is. I bet I'm gonna have a complete base set at the end of this. I got another numbered card here. Brian Ralston, Eric Lindros, Adam something, Russ something, and USA team of Doug Bonner. Numbered out of 5,000, 22,111 out of 5,000. Alright. See if there's anyone on these lists I've heard of on the USA team. No one on the USA team, and no one on the Canada team. The Limited Gold has some guys I've heard of. Mario Lemieux, Brett Hull, Lindros, Correa, Yager, Gretzky, Roenick, Fedorov, Pavel Bure. Those are all guys I've heard of. So, hopefully we get one of those. I don't know if there's one per box. Hopefully this is a nice video for people. Oh, there's Mario Lemieux. That's a nice one. Nice base card. Paul Coffey. Doug Coffey, I believe. I can't think of his name for sure. Pitcher with the Dodgers now. Sprints in from the bullpen. And he's a big man. We'll just say that. Joe Sakic, that's a nice one. I think he played a lot with the this says Quebec Nordiques. I didn't even know that was a franchise. Quebec Nordiques. There's another one. I'm sure I'm slaughtering that name, but it's the best I can do as a Midwestern boy. 12.5 minutes. Oh boy. We got about maybe 8 packs left. Have to fly through these. Hopefully I can go over 50. I know other people have over 15-minute videos, but they might be sponsored by YouTube. Scott Stevens. There's a Yager. That's a nice one. I know a little bit about hockey. Not too much, though. Been to a couple hockey games. We got a minor league team here, the Rough Riders. Mark Messier, that's a good one. I'm sure I've said that a lot, but whatever. Haters gonna hate. Scott Niedermayer on this one. I've heard of him. I figured if I've heard of them, they're probably decent players. They at least had some decent careers. I've got a mess on my desk. I'm trying to read these names upside down so I go a little bit faster. No one I really noticed there that I ain't heard of. Trevor Linden. I think I got 2 more packs. And then that will be it. Wish me luck. Thanks. Appreciate it. Hopefully I can get this under 15. I'm running out of time. Gonna speed through this. This is gonna take a decade to upload too. We'll probably upload this on Sunday. It is Saturday night though here in the Midwest. Big storms. Ray Bork. Martin Brodeur. That's a nice one. He's got a nice career. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully if you need some info on this set, you got it from this video. Later.